Hello guys, today I'm going to uh, show you about how to plot IV curves in Origin if you have raw data using originlab software. So this is a very basic tutorial for plotting IV in Origin, and I will show for room temperature IV measurements how to plot and how to make standard graphs. So let's get started. So open Origin. So the first step is actually importing data, and this is how the interface of Origin looks like. And this is how interface looks like. You can first save this file, click file, save project. You can like save wherever you want. I will type db7 so right now it got stored. So actually this is the one book, and I need to load data in this book. So click data, click import from file, click on import wizard, left click, and this is how import wizard interface looks like. You can click here and you can navigate where is your file located. My file is here, so double left click, so it will add here. You can add multiple files if you want, and click OK. And instead of replace existing data, click start new columns, and click next. My data is starting from uh, 5, so till 4 lines I don't need in the book. So for that, untick this one. Number of subheader lines you can take 4. You type 4, whatever are there it will be just entered in subheader. So I need a long name as my junction name, so I will type, that is located at 4, so I will type 4. And the units are voltage current is there, that I will type in 3. So 3 will be loaded as units. Then click next, untick this, and click next. And I need XY kind of plot, so I need select this X and Y, click apply, so it will select as XY, and you can click next. And actually in my IV the third column is J, which I don't want. So for that, uh, click here, skip one column and read two columns. So actually I need the two columns have to be read and one column have to be skipped. So that is how I entered it here, and click apply. So the third column will get disappeared. Click next, and you can save this filter if you want. uh, I we import filter. Then this is how you can give filter this name, so every time you no need to do this thing again and again. If you if you select this import filter and click finish, it will automatically get for next file. I will show in future how to use this filter. Click finish. So our data is now loaded here, so you can see. So our data is loaded, and yeah, you can see everything are xy, and you can rename this as raw data, and you can add another sheet. You can duplicate this sheet once, duplicate, and the first like we need raw data with current and voltage, and if you want to plot log scale, we need a absolute value of current. So for that, I will tell you. So we need to select voltage columns. We have to delete them first. Click on column, select column. Instead of mode, by select 10 columns and skip 10 columns, click 1 M1, start with 1. So it will select uh, first column and skip second column, and it will start from 1, and you can delete this. Delete. So all your current values are here. Now we need absolute values of these. So just add two more columns of this. Sorry for interruption. So we need till u we have current value. So till u we need to make a absolute. So for that I have an Excel sheet which I have compiled all absolute values. So for that I will just open that sheet. I will share you this sheet. You can also use this. So I have here till u we have. So till u select, just click there and left click, hold left click and drag it till u and control C for copy, and come back to origin, and here in function, from here you can click control V. So your all absolute values are came here. Yeah. Now take this all cell, come here, click here, hold shift, hold control and right arrow button. It will go to extreme right side, and down arrow button you have to hold control and shift as it is and click down. So it got selected. Right click, copy full precision, go take another new sheet and paste here. So now we got we pasted all absolute values of current. So just we no need this one, so just delete. So now all current values are came. We need pair of voltage to everything. So for that, just click again column. Okay, before that, go to raw data, select any one of the voltage pull points, and now you can come column, select columns, click one, start one, select, click insert, and we need here also for that start skip to start with 3, select, and you can insert here one more, and come back to 1, start with 1, select, and here we can control V. So all voltage values are came. So now I need each column which are these. So just draw data, we already have it. So long name, select long name and units, and copy. Okay, I think it is not. Okay. Come here, left click, hold and drag till wherever it is, and copy, copy, and come here and paste it. So now even these also got. So now we can rename it as ABS data. So now we have raw data and absolute data. With raw data we can plot linear, and with absolute data we can plot in log scale. So come to again raw data. So you can click Control A, select all, and you can click line. So you can delete this legend. So first we need to filter all data. So for that, just extend this object manager and just increase the size. So these all are our curves it is looking here. This is and you can first and select all. Check one by one whether all plots are good or bad. So we need to remove which are bad. This is good, so I will move it out of the group. And if you move anything to outside, you can group them as one group. I will unselect. I will now look this, click on rescale. This is also good. Uncheck, and I will again keep outside. And you can group these actually. So for that, just right click, plot setup, and you can see these two which are outside. We can group them. You can click Ctrl and select, right click, group, and click OK. So those two are grouped. We can rename this as a um, proper data. So again, look one by one. This is also good. So I will take this also to the good proper data. This is also good. So we, like that we need to filter each and every data. This is also good. So I will keep here. And this is also good. So I will keep here. This is also good. So I will keep here. This is also good. So I will keep here. This is also looking good. So I will keep here. Looks good. So we can, so likewise you can filter all datas. So this is actually we have to do. There is no shortcut for this. Mm, this is not good, so I don't want this. So I will move out of the group. I will move out of the group. Then this is good, so I will keep this in proper data. uh, this is also good. This is not good, so I will keep them outside. And these two, now two, minimum two came, so you can again select these two, click control, group them, click OK. And you can rename this, rename with bad data. We can check the next one. This is also good, so I will keep to here. And this is not good, so I will keep in bad data. So you can click on proper data, everything will get plotted, and rescale it. So now you have all proper data. So now we need to average this, average this. So actually we can create one more sheet here for average data. I will rename book. Um, I will rename this book with book one. Short name no needed. Long name only I want. That is book one. And this is I will short name I don't want. Long name only. For that I will give um, uh, consolidated linear plot. Um, Actually, I can rename this folder also with date of the experiment, that is 1903 2025. And you can create as many folders if you want. Just click there and click new folder, and you can If you are doing this experiment again, you can do any all worksheets in this, and likewise. So go back to consolidated linear plot. Click so we need average curve of these all. So for that, click analysis, mathematics, average merge curve, click open dialog. In here, select add all plots in active layer, and average x is follow curve trace, and enter here how many data points are there. What that means is like, if you go to book and see, so you have total 103 points. These 103 you have to enter there. So I will go back, click analysis, mathematics, average merge, open dialog, select inactive layer, average x, follow curve trace, here 103, and select output standard deviation and standard errors. Then output I want in average data sheet. So click custom. So book existing, which is actually book 1. Click OK. Sheet existing, and again select in average 1. Click OK. So it will go there. Click OK. Now average curve is also ready. So go back to that book 1, average data, remove these all comments. You can stop the recalculation. Type here which is your sample, that is my sample before, and this one also you can remove. Add another column and type absolute value of that abs of abs of b, and you can copy the same here. Recalculate mode none. Here voltage values are not exactly floating values, so take any of the voltage values, copy it, and you can paste here. So now everything, these three sheets are only needed, so all three sheets are ready now. So now we can plot the final plot by using absolute value and average data. So let's get started. Go to absolute data sheet, select all, and go to plot. You can actually use the template. I have template, which is actually in linear, but I will show how to okay, I will show how to plot from beginning. Click plot, line, then we will get like this. Okay, 1 second, something is happened. Okay, I did designated it xy, so select column, set as custom, click xy. Okay, so now everything got designated also. So you just need to plot it. I have template. If you have any log scale template, that is enough. So into comparison, which log scale, linear curve, log scale, one signal pair, share this. I will go through by this 6 line plot to linear to. I think I missed the log scale one. Okay, that's fine. We can plot, and you can go to plot, line scale. So you got your thing. So right click here, left click, display scientific. scale linear, instead of linear take log, click OK. So you got your data now correctly. You can delete. Actually this you can keep like this, and right, click on any one of the curve, change to size 2, and you can rescale it. So this is how. So we can now what we can do is we can filter out, remove the which are not good. So for the, this curve is not looking good, so I will just right click there, and you can click untick there. Here also this is also not good, so I will remove it. This is also not looking good, so I will remove it. So this is my good curves, and I will keep somewhere here. So right click there, left click there, click line tab. Instead of 4 color, single color, select single, take light green color, click OK. So everything actually here, this is very too light, little bit. Yeah, this is somewhat looking good. For this you need to add averaged curve. For that click graph, plot setup. You can see here, you might be getting like this at beginning. So expand this, and again expand here also, and you can see your book and your sheets. So we have our averaged one in averaged sheet. So the x value will be a, and the y value will be this one, and the standard error will be the standard error as a error. Click add. That's all. Click OK. Now that curve is also added. That curve here it is. So we can change another color for it. Take red one, and this error bar you can keep black lines. For that, double click again that curve, and at last it is there. This is the standard error one. Select color black. Click OK. Yeah, sure, you got everything. So here in this legend you can keep only 2, and you can come here, remove, and you can type uh, TB, your sample name, and for the red one type average. Ayo, average. Something happened. Okay. Oh, I think the one which got hidden is, I think. Okay, 1 second. I will delete this. Insert graph legend, reconstruct legend. Okay. Uh, Double click, remove all. T T B 4 average. Now it came, and drag it. There is a space coming here. I don't know what it is. Remove that space. Yeah. Select Times New Roman. Increase little bit font. You can actually give till 10 to the power of -4. Uh, from increase till 4. You can place here. This also have to be Times New Roman. This is 28. keep it bold. This one current, amps, select that, times New Roman, this have to be 36, bold it. Here also times New Roman, 28, bold it, control A, voltage V, control A, times New Roman, 36, bold it, and click there, move it up, and that's all. Yeah, now right click, fit to page to layers, border with 2, click OK. Now you got your this is the standard IV curve, like everything is there inside. And now we can save this as a template, it will be better. Click file, save template as uh, electrical plot, and instead of that log scale and average plot. Click OK. So everything is there, everything got saved. Yeah, so this is how you finally arrived with your IV curve. This you can now copy paste in your PPT if you want. For that, click Ctrl J, open PPT, open PPT, take a new file. You can go to layout blank and click Ctrl V. So now we got your IV plot. If you want, you can change the size also. So this is how we will show uh, a IV curve. If you want for this linear plot, that also we can do. Lastly, I will show this and stop. I will rename this. Always it is better to keep naming your files. Remove short name, long name, log scale, consolidated plot. Go to book, go to average data, select voltage B, standard error. You have template, you can take it if you want. Linear, I think the template is got deleted. I think again you can click file, same thing. You can scale linear, not linear only. Tick labels in scientific, click OK. Rescale it, and again bold this one, times New Roman, 28, keep a frame, control A, current amps, times New Roman, 36, bold. Since it is in 10 to the power of minus 6, it is micro, so I can directly write like this: microamp, divide factor with 10 to the power of minus 6. uh, Now you can keep in decimal actually instead of scientific. Here we need to type micro, but so for that select Greek and type M. So you got your microamp. Here also 36, bold it. Here also select voltage B, control A, times New Roman 36, bold it. And this also have to be times New Roman, drag it, and that's the curve line you can keep uh, this one also too. Instead of red we can keep standard error one black. So now this is also done. You can move little up, then finally fit page to layers, border with 2, and that's all. That 28, and this also 28. 28, that's all, it is done. Now you can take this plot, click Ctrl J, go back to your PPT and click Ctrl V. So this is how we had completed uh, plotting of I and B. I B plot times from, yeah, now everything is done. I hope you understood this tutorial and you can do. Thank you for watching.